put this together for you at the end of the day to help build you a 3-year model. And effectively, and we'll walk through what the different aspects of this mean, but the idea here is that you're going to be able to walk out with something you can actually take and say, this is how we're going to roll with this is how we're going to implement this is year 1, this is year 2, this is year 3, right? That you can say, these are the goals, the long-term goals in the 3-year, but this is what we want to implement over the next 12 months.